Hi, it's Jess here from Sun Valley Trading Co., the Australian distributors of Cowboy industrial sewing machines and leather machines. Today I'm going to do a demonstration for setting up your Cowboy 3200 sewing machine, including installing the drive belt and belt cover and the bobbin winder. To install the drive belt and the guard, you start with this inner bit, which goes against the machine and curve under the pulley. You need these two bolts and these spacers. These work by setting the distance between the guard and the machine, and the bolt goes through the spacer into the hole with the guard in between. Just need a 5mm Allen key to go in the head of these bolts. Need to do it up reasonably snug to reduce the chance of vibration. Then we can install the drive belt. So just run it on like that. And if you want to take it off, I find the easiest way, just get a screwdriver with some cover on it and just wind it around like that. So we want it on at the moment. This belt needs to be reasonably tight. Otherwise, if you're sewing through thick leather, you'll find that the belt will just slip instead of giving the drive to the machine. So now we have that in place, we can get our bobbin winder. If you've got a table from me, it should come to you pre-drilled and with the screws that you need to put it on. So the idea of the bobbin winder is that it operates by this mechanism against the belt, and when the belt is spinning, spins this, which spins the bobbin, and you've got your thread here. So we want it in a place where when it's off, this is the off position, it's not touching the belt, but when we turn it on, it gets good contact with the belt. Just put that into place. Outside part of the guard. Now we want it has a little tab here, which we want to go underneath the bobbin winder. These little tiny bolts are what holds the two parts of the guard together. So you might just need a bit of wriggle room here to get these to line up. Just have a little check that you're not putting it somewhere that it's going to be rubbing against the flywheel. All in place to keep you from getting your fingers caught in the belt. Stay tuned for the next video on actually using the bobbin winder to thread your bobbin. Thanks.